So over the last couple of webinars, there's been some questions about, hey, how do I get this tracking code from Google that you need to be so that I can track my own stats inside of my own Google Analytics dashboard. So up on my screen, I've already logged into my Google Analytics page. You need to set one of these up. There's lots of YouTube channels about how to set one up if you don't have one already. But I'm already at a point where I've already created an account. You may have multiple accounts. If you do this little drop down, you might have more than one, like I have 4 here. Just choose the one that best represents where you're going to place your Google the audience access features at. If you don't have one, you can create a new one and make one for it. It's a pretty simple process. It's just a way to put things in different dashboards. So I'm going to go ahead and choose one already, which is this accounting for testing stuff for this demo. And you have this middle section that says create property. Go ahead and hit create property. Here, give it a name. So in this case, I'm going to call this audience access. If I can spell that is. Go ahead and change your time reporting, your currency, all that good stuff. But it's very important here to click on the show advanced options and say create this universal analytics property. That's what we want. And then type in the website. In this case, it would be the audienceaccess.co website. It's very important that you put that here. That'll tell Google, hey, this is where this code's going to live, and put it inside of your dashboard itself. Here, these two options don't really matter. They create both. In this case, I'm only going to hit the create universal property only. And I'm going to hit next. Here's some simple questions about how this code is going to be used. I'm just going to pick some here. I'm going to hit create. And what's going to happen is it's going to give me a new tracking ID. This tracking ID is the tracking ID, this one here that's I've highlighted, is the one that you'll either use and put it into your settings page inside of Audience Access, or you can send that code to Tracy and she can do it for you so it'll be in your dashboard. I hope this helps. If you have any current questions, just shoot Tracy an email and we'll walk through you hand by hand. Hope this helps. Bye.